It's you running through my veins. Your love runs through my veins.
What's up, family? All right, so Tom has made a decision in his life, and he wants dreads. And I kind of feel like he wants them because he has it in his mind right now that he wants to be a football player when he grows up. And all the football players that he likes have dreads, and now he wants dreads. But hey, cool. So we're going to put some dreads in my baby's hair today. I have spent many days going to good old YouTube University on what products I need to pick up, how I'm supposed to do it, the different types of ways that I can create the locks. I need to stop calling them dreads. I also learned that at YouTube University. They are locks. So Tom decides he wants locks. He wants locks. So we're about to do that today. Please be gentle with me. I am a beginner, okay? Doing the best I can. But I made the agreement with him that he can have the locks, okay? He can have them, but they can't be like the free-form kind. Like, you remember when The Weeknd first came out? His lock situation? That gave me so much anxiety. I cannot do it. I need structure. I need parts. I need to be able to see your scalp. Just something. I don't care if you want triangle parts or you want square parts. Just the locks need to have some parts, okay? I need something. A pattern of some sort needs to occur. So he was okay with that. So I will be meticulously parting as I make the locks because that freeform stuff, we're not about that life. Are you ready to start? So we can finish this? All right. I already started in the back a little. I don't know if you guys can see them, but he has 5 that I started, and I don't have the clips, so I'm just using like bobby pins to hold them down. But yeah, let's keep on going.
Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we gon' jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't
So come
help
closer, Rugrat.
Okay.
All right, and then turn slowly. Here it is. My baby's hair is all done. About an hour and a half to like 2 hours later. It is all done. And like, I'm trying to show you the ones at the bottom. But these, like the bottom row, these ones here, they were ones I did last night just to test, to see how it would look. And I was just like twisting them like this. But then when it got to the second row this morning, when we decided to continue, I did the same thing for the first two. But then I was like, let's try the 2-strand twist, which is where I started here. And I don't know, I like how they came out. So all the rest of these were 2-strand twisted. And then I twirled them around my finger a little bit. But yeah,
But you guys know who I'm gonna be looking like? Tyree Hilton. He's my favorite person on the Indianapolis Colts. But so when I play flag football, I'm gonna be on that field, and people are gonna be calling me Tyree Hilton soon. You know, that's not my name, but still, I'm cool.
Okay.
Peace out.
Peace out. My baby. My 10-year-old. My almost 10-year-old is locked up, y'all. I can't even. His hair, okay? His hair. We're not even going to speak that out into the atmosphere. His hair now has locks.